So does the whole thought of making a wreath just kind of make you cringe? Do you feel like there's just no way I'm not even going to attempt to make one? Believe me, I used to be that same way, but I keep finding easy to do wreaths. And they're so adorable. There's so many things you can do with them. So grab yourself a few of these bandanas, just like this, and one of these Dollar Tree wreaths. Believe me, you're going to love making these wreaths. Plus, you're going to have your kids doing it because they're going to say it's easy and they can do it too. So just watch. Time for us. We're so glad you're joining us today. We have just got a really, really cute craft today.
Yes, we do.
It doesn't take a whole lot of brain cells to do this one. I'm just going to tell y'all right up front, this is going to be easy.
It's fun. Yes.
Fun. And if you need a place for your porch, a place to put something on your porch, this is going to be great for a small spot in your my goodness, a small spot in a small area on your porch.
Yes.
We are opting to do a small wreath, but of course you can make them as big as you want to.
Yes.
So today we are going to have a small wreath. She's got the small wreath there, if you can see it. We're using bandanas.
Yes.
Now we are using 2 colors for each round on the wreath.
Yes.
So we've got a yellow, a light plain yellow. We've got a light orange. And then the bandana looking kind of orange with the white. And then the same thing with an orange, darker orange.
Yes.
So we have a total of 6 bandanas. Now we didn't use all of the bandanas for the whole thing.
No.
So with this one thing that we're going to do, you can make probably two of them, or you can make one big, really big one.
Yeah.
So just hang on and we'll show you.
Right. Did you explain for this one? I just got one. I think you already said that, didn't you? I'm repeating you. Just one of each kind of bandana. I think I repeated.
Today, by adding the little pieces of bandana, they are 1 inch by 7 inch long. It's easier if you take a full-size bandana, cut it into 3 equal parts, which will make it 7 inches. Take each 7-inch piece and slice it into inch-long ways. So you've got 1 by 7.
Yeah, 1 inch by 7 inch.
Easy to do.
Yeah.
We did it. You can do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Rhonda has a handy-dandy rotary cutter.
Yes, if you've got a fabric cutter, be sure and use that.
Yeah,
so
that makes it a lot
easier. So much easier.
Yeah.
Okay, so, you know we're cheap. Inexpensive.
Yes, we are.
Frugal.
Not cheap.
Whatever you want to call it.
No.
So this is this is a sign that we got from the Dollar Tree. I cut it down, just used my little jigsaw, cut it down so that it matches. I'm sorry, I didn't scratch you.
That's okay.
It matches here, so it's going to lay straight on there. When she gets through folding those on there, then we're going to apply it to here. But what we're going to do in the meanwhile, she's going to do once white in the middle. We're going to have all the yellows and the oranges all matched together and bring it all together.
Yes.
Go for it, sister.
Okay, so I'm going to start with the outer ring. You know how I know that? Because I did it backwards.
You're not supposed to tell.
But I learned from my mistakes. So you want to start with the outer ring. That makes it easiest. So we're going to start with the dark color first. And I'm just going to alternate. I'm going to use one of the bandana ones first. We just make a loop. And you just put it through the ring, not around it. And then you put your ends through the loop of the bandana. So you're not looping around the ring, you're looping around the bandana itself. So you wind up like this. And then we're gonna alternate with a solid one. It just kind of makes it a little different. And we just keep doing that until your little section is full. Okay, and I'm gonna do that while Vonda gets to do the painting and the talking.
So if you watched our video, and if you didn't, I don't know why you didn't.
I don't know.
But if you watched our video on Faith, where we made it look like all the three, we added 3 colors and sponged it together. Mm-hmm. When we're through here, if you didn't watch it, go back and watch it, and they'll show you a little bit more about it.
Yeah.
But that's basically what I'm going to do on this. I'm just going to daub all over everywhere. And Paula's going to get her bandanas in the screen so you can see what she's doing.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, guys. Okay, backwards a little bit. There we go. And I'm continuing to alternate. I'm making the loop, wrapping it, not pulling it through, wrapping it around the wire, and then pulling the open end through the loop of the bandana.
Now you want it nice and tight, right?
Yes, you want to pull it nice and tight, and you want to keep pulling them kind of tight. It depends on how you want your wreaths to look. If you want to pull them tight to the side, or you want to leave them a little loose. It's up to you. That will also determine how many handkerchiefs you need to buy, or bandanas. So remember, we're going to loop it like this in half, and then we're going to wrap it around, not pull it around, and then we're going to put the open end through the loop on the piece of bandana. If I can get my fingers to work. Okay.
So the thing is here, you want to try to get it uniform.
Yeah.
You want to pull it because the more uniform you have it, the better it's going to look.
And it's not hard to make it uniform. I mean, they all are cut the same length, so it's really easy. So there you go. And you just keep doing it. Oops, and I put 2 solids together. And that's easy to fix because you just pull it apart, make your loop, wrap it around, pull your opened end through. So this is not really hard, guys. This is the kind of stuff you can sit and watch TV and do, really.
I told you it was going to be a mindless video today.
Yeah.
Hey, Delana.
Hi, Delana. Thanks
Delana
for
is
watching.
packing for vacation, I bet.
I bet she's done. Delana's always on top of it. I wish she was here to help me.
I wish you were too. Your mom's driving me crazy. She needs some help.
Yeah. Pretty soon she'll be here. I can't wait.
Yes.
So excited. I am so excited for them to move here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, pretty soon they'll be living here. So excited. Okay, we're gonna go solid down. So you just make a loop, wrap it around the outside ring, pull the opened end through the loop. You guys can see me doing this. You guys will be a lot better than me. My fingers are so, they're not very nimble anymore. And pull it tight. It's getting there, y'all.
So while she's doing that, our scripture for today is Isaiah 61. Arise and shine, for thy light has come.
Yes.
And so, sun. But let me tell you, when I was much younger, I was in GA's, Girls Auxiliary at church, yeah. And so I don't remember what the deal was. There was just a whole bunch of scripture I had to memorize to do some kind of big party at the end. I don't remember what it was called.
Never heard of GAs.
It's old time stuff.
I was raised in a Methodist church, so we went through confirmation like you do in Catholic church.
No, that's not what this was. This was like, they had, I can't think of what they called the little deal. But anyway,
Yes.
It was just a ton of scripture that we had to memorize.
Huh.
And of course, my mind was much better back then. But
Mine too.
we had all this, and so I was like, oh yay, I'll memorize this one because this was nice and fast. Arise and shine, for thy light is come. Well, that was good. But I was in the 7th grade, and they didn't teach me what that meant.
Oh.
So I'm thinking, huh, it's time to get up in the morning, you know?
Yeah, that's what I would think.
I light this, you know, the sun. So I did not realize until years later that the sun, S-U-N, was really the sun, S-O-N.
Oh.
So yeah, our sun is
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yes.
And so we can rise and make it through the day and have a wonderful day, a spirit-filled day, because we have Jesus.
Yes.
Not get up at 6 o'clock and it's time.
Really
Should have
good.
explained a little bit more to us what that meant.
Yeah.
So we're getting some weird
Yeah.
stuff going on here. I hope y'all can see us because I have no idea
Delana
what that
says,
is.
hi ladies, and she says, LOL, not yet, after work. So she's packing after work.
Oh.
So I don't feel quite so bad.
There
but-
you go. Okay, so I have gotten the 3 colors, swatched them all together. I took a little wet wipe and just kind of smeared them a little bit so that they ran into each other. I'm going to give them a little bit longer to dry, and then we're going to put some vinyl. And I want to talk today about the vinyl too. You know, we've talked about the silhouette cameo, and we use it all the time. But it's not cheap.
Right.
But you can use it differently without having to have the expense. You can go online and go to silhouette.com and silhouettestudio.com, and you can use the same things. You can do the exact same things that we do on the Silhouette. You can do all your designs. You can hit that print button, and it will print it out on a piece of paper, cardstock, whatever you want to use, and then you can sit and cut it out.
Right.
And you can, like this one we used, Shine, just cut it out, use an X-Acto knife for the little areas and stuff like that. And so you don't have to go to all the expense to use the Silhouette Studio. So until you decide that you want to put out the money for that, do it this way. Of course, there's all kinds of stickers, stencils, all of that. You can't throw a dead cat, not hit a bunch of stencils at Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, Michael's. They're everywhere.
Walmart even has
Walmart
some
has
stencils.
them.
Yeah.
I was in Hobby Lobby the other day, and they had like a whole wall of stencils. But can't beat cheap.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
this is pretty much free by the time you get it done. So we do use a lot of the transfer paper, which is just clear shelf liner. I'm telling you, we can do some crafts without costing hardly anything.
Yes.
This craft was a little bit more expensive because we paid like $1 for the bandanas.
Yeah, the bandanas I got at Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure, I don't remember if you told them that. Hobby Lobby, they have all different colors of bandanas, and they're all 99 cents a piece. And they're pretty big, if you saw when I opened that one up.
There was a lot.
Yeah.
A lot of
A lot of
bandanas.
colors, yes.
I was just amazed at how many
Yeah.
they had on there.
Yeah. They had a lot of them.
So,
Yeah. And I'm really slow, folks, I'm sorry.
it's quite all right.
I'm kind of slow here.
But so you got the main deal here.
I've got the one row on the outside edge completed in the one section, and I'm trying to hurry and get another one done. Yeah. So you guys can get the gist of, so I went to my second row, and I started with my next color, lighter color of orange, the orangish yellow. And I'm doing the same thing, y'all. I'm just doing solid, then
The decorative.
thank you. Couldn't get my words there.
Solid and then decorative.
Yes, yes,
And we are going to rise and shine with the vinyl.
yes.
And we're going to put that in the middle. And more than likely what I'm going to do too is just go back over this with maybe some sealer. You know, I do like that triple thick sealer, and I'm going to spray on that because I might put it outside.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, if you do put this outside underneath a porch, like maybe up close to the door so that rain doesn't hit it and ruin your handkerchiefs.
Well, and the humidity too is not good for your paint. It's not
Right.
good for any of that stuff. So,
But this is going to be really cute on a porch though.
yes, it is.
Yeah.
We've got lots of good porch ideas. And now that it's
do.
just beautiful outside, let's
Yes.
do more.
That's right. Let's decorate your porch, your patio, your entryway. Yes.
So she's got
Yeah.
a bunch of them.
Yeah. So I've got your outer layer all done. I've started on the inner layer. Okay.
And see how pretty the knots lay together, and
Yes.
they're all side by side,
Yeah.
and they're laying nice and neat.
Yes.
But we're not going to make you sit here and watch her do this all day.
No,
No.
because I'm slow.
Because we have cheated, and we have got,
Yes. We've got one that's done.
isn't that
Isn't
adorable?
that cute?
Yes, and so you can still see,
You can see your outer layer of your dark orange, the inner layer of the middle, close to yellow, and then the bright sunny for the sun inner layer. And isn't that cute? I think that just turned out so cute.
y'all got to make one of this. Do you
Yes.
like it? Do you love it?
Uh-oh, internet and phone's down again at work. Oh, Delana, I'm so
man.
sorry.
Ours was doing something crazy. It must have caught what you
Yeah.
have.
Yeah. Isn't this cute though? I just love it.
Yes.
So cute.
Okay,
Okay.
so now we're going to take a little hot glue,
Yep.
and we're going to put hot glue along the dark orange edge,
Yeah.
and we're going to set that sucker down here on.
Yep. So you turn it over
Okay,
on the back side.
so we're going to take this.
Yeah, let's make sure all of our little things are stuck in so they don't get flipped
And we can
around.
adjust it once we get.
Yeah,
I won't go too crazy on it.
no, not like me.
Okay, so we're going to go just pretty heavy with the
Yep,
hot glue, and I just did what you said I was not supposed to do.
that's okay.
Don't let it burn you. So if you like our crafts,
Yes.
be sure and go and
Sprinkle with your friends and family.
go up and follow us.
Yes.
Hit that notification button so that you always get a notification
That's
that
right.
we're out here doing this.
That's right.
Facebook, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything.
No.
We're
No.
free. Just hit
Follow,
that
subscribe, and also sprinkle with your friends and family.
Okay, are you ready for the great reveal? Ta-da!
Isn't that cute?
Cute, cute, cute. I'll put it there.
Yes.
Thank you so much for joining us
you.
today. We just love to just sit down and have some time
Yes.
to just craft and spend some time with y'all because we just love you so much and we appreciate you.
Yes,
If
we
you're
do.
watching us on replay, please hit hashtag replay so that we know that you saw us.
Yes.
Give us some likes, some loves.
Some
If you
hearts,
have any
yes.
questions, be sure and put it in the comments below
Right.
because you know we read those.
Yes, we do.
really do.
We try to answer them. If we don't have an answer right away, we'll look it up and answer you.
And
then.
let us know where you're watching us from. Even
Yes.
if it's replay, let us know because we'd
Right.
love to know where people are.
Yes, we do.
So thank you so much, and we will see you again soon. And remember,
Love one another.
love one another. Bye.
Bye.